Here is the thing about split ends. Whether you cut them or you don't, they come back every time. Because the split is not the problem. The split is the proof the hair above is still damaged. The scissors only get to the split ends. The damage that made it, it's still there. So it just splits again. Same strands, same place, weeks later. The only thing that actually stops it is changing condition of your hair itself, reducing what is damaging it and repairing what's already there. And that is the whole answer, and that is what I'm going to show you in this video. After 35 years in a salon, this is the biggest myth I see. Everyone believes that cutting split ends will solve your problem. It won't. It is what actually is happening. The cuticle, your hair's outer protective layer, gets worn down by heat, friction and chemical damage. But that is just the first sign of trouble. Underneath, the internal structure that holds the hair together starts to break down too. And once that goes, the strand split. When you see split ends, the damage is already much further up the strands than you think. So it keeps producing new split ends, which is why nothing seems to improve, no matter what you do at the end. You're dealing with the results, not the cause. So here is what actually changed things. There are two parts and you need both. First is reducing what is damaging your hair in the first place. Be honest about what your hair goes through. Heat most days, color or bleach too often, brushing it hard when it's wet, which is the most fragile and most likely to break. You don't have to stop everything. You have to ease it. Drop the heat styling to a minimum, stretch out the color, be gentle when your hair is wet, and detangle slowly instead of yucking it through. Every one of those gives your hair a window it never had, a chance to stop getting worse and give it a break. Second part is a real repairing routine. Not a random product here and there, but something consistent. Damaged hair has lost strength inside of the strand, and bone builder and protein treatment rebuilds those internal connections, especially if your hair is colored or heat styled. You will feel it get stronger before it feels softer. Then once a week use hydrating mask. That is what brings back softness and elasticity and lets your hair bend instead of snap. And finally, protect what you have rebuilt. After every wash, use leave-in conditioner. That is your moisture and your protection going in. After, use oil or serum on top to seal it. You can reapply oil daily. It really won't take you a long time, like 30 seconds. And it's the step most people skip. And it's the only one that keeps the moisture locked in and surface protected between washes. So here is what I want you to take from this. Your split ends were never a real problem. They were a signal. The hair above them needed attention. And until you fix that, your split ends will come back. Reduce the damage to your hair. Repair what is already there. Do that consistently and the splitting will stop. If you want to know which heat styling tool will be damaging your hair the most, go watch it here. You got this.